Hey, hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is your Ramandeep Singh and welcome back to this Python programming course. If you're learning Python right from the basics, and this is the first video we will delve into the hands-on coding, but we'll start with the setting up the environment for the Python. Okay, so all you have to do, like maybe you have Windows or Mac OS, any system you have. First of all, you need to download VS Code. Okay, so VS Code, just go to Google or Safari, type in VS Code downloads. Okay, and then you go to this website. So if you have Windows laptop, you download this version. If you have Mac OS, you can download this one. Okay, so I have downloaded this already, and once you download, you will get a .dmg file, or here you will get a zip file. Okay, so you can extract the file, and then you can install VS Code. So let me open up the VS Code. So it looks like this. So this is how a VS Code will look like after you install this from that website. Okay, this is the first step. So first you go to the website of VS Code, and then you install this editor. Okay, simple. Then let me show you how this looks like. Okay, then we move to the next step. We install Python on our system. Okay, we install Python on our system. So for that, Python downloads, go to the official documentation of the Python, download Python, and then so you can type Python downloads. Okay, so here you move this there, and then download the latest version for macOS. Now you can choose your operating system. If it is Windows, then click on this. Okay, and then you can click on this one, latest Python 3 release, Python 3.1.2 here. Okay, and then you can download it from here. Windows, download Python install manager, and if you have macOS, you can download it right from here. And once you download it, you can install it. You will get a file, you install the Python on your system, and that's your second step. Okay, then we go to the third step, which is in the VS Code. So open up your text editor, this VS Code, your IDE, not the text editor, integrated development environment, है ना, Python 3 अच्छा ठीक है. So now you can type Python 3.14, or you can also say क्या कहते हैं इसको, QUIT. So now let's say you want to now this is your terminal. Okay, so you open up this terminal, and here you type Python 3. Okay, so once you type the Python 3, you will get something like this, Python 3.12. This is the version of the Python which has been installed on your system, and now here you can write Python programs. Okay, so let's write something. 2 plus 3 5. So here you can perform these type of arithmetic operations. Okay, so 3 plus, let's say, my name. It will not work. Print my name, like this. Okay, so this is how you can interact with the Python on your terminal. Simple thing. But let's say if you want to create a program, you want to create a separate file, you know, for your Python program. Then all you need to do, let's quit this terminal. Now all you have to do is create a new file, Command N or Control N, है ना, if you have Windows laptop. So I will open up the file. I have already created one file, so let's create one more. Let's do it. Command N, save. Let's call it hello.py. So all of the Python files will be saved with the extension .py. So whenever you're creating a Python file where you're going to write a Python program, always save it with .py extension. Save. Okay. Now you move to this extensions, this fourth option right from the beginning in your VS Code IDE, and here you search for the extension Python. Okay. Python, this one. And like I have already installed this extension, but you can go to this extension Python language support with extension access points for debugging, whatever. Okay. So it will aid you while you write programs in Python. Okay. So this is the Python extension for Visual Studio Code. So like if you really want to if you really want to dig deep into these things, that why how does extension work, why we are installing this, why this process is like this, then you may read the documentation. So this is the documentation for this. What is it? A Visual Studio Code extension with support for etc etc. ठीक है. फॉर्मेटिंग जैसे अपने आप आ रहा था ना, जैसे व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग सम कमांड्स ऑन द टर्मिनल, अपने आप आ रही थी वो सब चीज़ें. तो दीज टाइप ऑफ एड्स आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय दीज एक्सटेंशंस, पाइथन डीबगर, pylens, Python environments, indent, etc. But I would recommend you to install least number of extensions. Just install this one and that's all, if you are a beginner. Otherwise, if you start with multiple extensions, you will not be able to develop your debugging skills. So just start with the raw Python file. Cool. So once you have this extension, you will this button will appear. This button, you can see this button, run Python file. After you install that extension, this button is going to appear. Okay. So when you click on this button, it executes the file, the current file on which your cursor is lying. So currently we are in this hello.py file. So if you click this button, you can see user local bin python 3 users Ramandeep Singh / hello.py. So whatever this hello.py is executed. Okay. Now let us write a program. So let's write a simple program. The first program when we learn a language is hello world. So print hello programmers. ठीक है. Hello programmers. So this print statement is used to print text, used to print whatever we write inside this function. So we can also print text. We can also perform arithmetic operations inside this this print function, and we can also print multiple data types as well. So we can print numbers as well. Let's say print 5 or 10. ठीक है, like this. Print 10 plus 3. It's gonna print 13. ठीक है. Arithmetic operation will be performed automatically. ठीक है. So this is your first ever program where you write, or we can say hello world program, and this is the starting of your like learning this Python language in a simple way. So I'll try to make things as simple as possible so that you just get the relevant things and not the unnecessary details which are not required in your role. Okay. So that's the first problem which we have solved today, and congratulations to you if you have successfully set up your development environment or your programming environment and have made this program. Okay. So that's all for this video. I hope you learn to write the hello world program in Python after you watch this video, and I will see you soon in the next video. We will be learning about the concepts of the language Python, data types, etc. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.